Look, this whole thing is being run by the Illuminati people, the Dark Cabal, the danneniettes that are in the Bible, the DANS. Okay, danneniettes, DNA, okay, ancient Egyptian bloodline, the Pleiadians. Okay, this is how deep it goes, people. So it's a game right now. It's not a game. It's very serious, people. I've told you how they play this game. Okay, you know, they did all this stuff to get their hands on the children. If child molestation rates are going up through the roof, then, you know, the cops know about this. Okay, this is how the cops are recruiting children. Okay, there's a dark side. There's a very evil dark side to how the cops and CPS are intertwined with one another. Okay? Okay? They purposely use AI interferometry to spy on families, on how they are coping with 5G. 5G is a weapons-based system where it attacks your central nervous system, people. Okay? It's very nasty, and it's tied to the NASA, the Sun Simulator. Okay? So, how do I know about this? Like I said, I know how these cops are playing the game. They have their stupid bumper stickers that says domestic violence and all this stuff. Well, yeah, you know, if you're being assaulted by extra low frequency, your body's going to be upset. Okay, this whole COVID thing is a test market, people. It's a test market for them to fuck with your central nervous system. Okay? It really is. And to fuck with your life. Okay? I told you how these spy agencies work. They use interferometry. Okay, they can cut through buildings and mountains. They spy on you. Okay? So the cops already know, you know, if things are going down south within a family. They already know because they're spying on you anyways. Okay, that's what Jade Helm is all about. Okay? This is illegal search and seizure. Okay? How they spy on you. It violates your Fourth Amendment rights. Okay? So if child molestation things are going up through the roof, you know, the cops, the dark world, they look forward to that. Do you understand what I'm saying? They look forward to problems within the home, to break the family unit. This is how they do it. They use AI to fuck with your family. Okay? These are the DANS. These are the danneniettes. Okay? Ancient Egyptian bloodline. Okay? Okay? I know how they're using this frequency. It's very evil, very diabolical, and it's very, very quiet. It's a quiet war. How's it go? A silent weapon for quiet war, whatever you call it. Deborah Tavares talks about it. Okay? These are the Rothschilds and the Rockefellers. Okay? Okay, because behind closed doors, they have another agenda going on. Okay, COVID-19 is just a front, people. What's going on behind the scenes is the quiet weapons system. Okay? So, this is how the cops work. They upset families, and they try to disrupt the families, because this technology will tear a family apart if you are not astute on their bullshit. Okay? And how they